Alright, I got 2 more packages in the mail. And then this small one contains a special keychain here that I've seen on eBay and in the stores for several years now. No, and at the same time, I've been planning on buying one, but it's like, okay, yeah, but just having a hard time finding out. Just keep getting by it until I saw this one. But also at the same time, I'll explain later on what the deal is with this and stuff like that. And this, is another puzzle, a special puzzle, though, that I saw on eBay, and I was like flabbergasted about what I saw in the price that the seller was selling it at. So let me go ahead and open both these and show you all what I have. Alright, so I'll start off with this. As you can see, in reading from the logo, it said Magic Cube, QJ Magic Cube, and this is a QJ megaminx. QJ version 1 megaminx. No. In white plastic. Now, something special about this is that 10 years ago, I bought a megaminx off a Q4U website. And it was QJ megaminx version 1. No, and at that time, that was my very first megaminx. No. And I still have that one, but it's been like modded and done a lot of stuff with it, and it's not even that good anymore. No. And I bought in black plastic and stuff like that. And exactly the same variant as this one. No. I don't know how well you can see it, but you can actually see it a lot now, where the stickers or the texture stickers and the color scheme is really odd, especially if you were to compare it to like a normal megaminx of this era, like from today era. Let me go get one like this X-Men Megaminx Galaxy Megaminx version 2. No. Like, if I were to hold it up, yellow face, you can see there's some differences. And look on the other side, and some more differences. But this, the color scheme on this is really, really weird. No. And then also let me compare it to a few other megaminxes. Now, here's my original Hungarian Supernova megaminx. No. Yeah. It really doesn't have that much similarity, but it's just really bizarre and odd. And then comparing it to this original Tomy megaminx, no color scheme, which is like really weird. So yeah, but there's that. And he also sent like a bunch of extra stickers, sets and stuff, which I'm like, okay, that's cool. So it's like, if you can see, like the corners on this are like circular, circle corner stuff. Yeah, so there's, let's see this. There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Okay, so 9 of these. And then like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Then like 6 of these, which are like 4x4 grid circles. And I'm like, okay, that's interesting. And if he included a full 12 color set of this style sticker, I would have not put it on this. Though put it on like a Shang Style Megaminx, which I have a few of them that I've had lying around for modding. No. And this might end up going on a 4x4 because there's 6 of these and they're like round stickers, but I don't know yet. So what I'm gonna do is, then this came in the smaller package. So as you can see, it's like a keychain cube. Now, it's not your ordinary standard keychain cube like the GAN 330 or Morphing Xiaoxi keychain cube, some others like that. So it's in this case, which is really cool. And this is produced by the same company called Superimpose that produced the so-called world's smallest cube, like this one, and even, also let me show you another one, and even the 40th anniversary metallic smaller cube variant. So, yeah, this one right here is my original 2015 model one that I got back 2015 when they first came out. This one, not too bad of turning. No, and this is 20 millimeters, so this one's like about 25, 30 or something like that. Let me just see this. So, it's not 30 millimeters. No, it's 25-ish millimeters or so. But it's one of those odd size ones, though, where it's like not even standard normal size for a mini keychain type cube. Yeah. But anyway, I'm happy with this. And happy to get another one of the original QJ Megaminx version 1. Though.